Deleting messages as group admin on WhatsApp is a pretty simple thing to do, and in this video I will show you how to exactly do it. So before getting into the video, make sure that you subscribe our channel. So first thing first, go to the Play Store and search WhatsApp. So once you do it, open up the WhatsApp icon. So what we're gonna see that is the app is up to date or not. If your app is up to date, what you have to do is to open up the app. You can simply click on this button or you can navigate to the application by yourself. So once you have done that, make sure that you go to a group where you are the admin of the group. So I will show you how to check the admin of the group. Go and click on the name of the group, and here all you have to do is to swipe down. As you guys can see that I am the admin of this group. So what I have to do is to delete this message right over here. So what I have to do is to long press it, then go and select the delete button. Here you will have the option for delete for everyone. Just go ahead and tap on delete for everyone. So once you will do it, the message will be deleted for everyone as an admin. It says you deleted the message as an admin. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.